Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Nest Cam with Home Assistant, complete guide step by step clearly. Ensure your Nest Cam is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Home Assistant app on your device. Navigate to the Configuration tab in the sidebar. Select Integrations from the options available. Click on the plus icon in the bottom right corner to add a new integration. Search for Nest. Select the Nest integration from the search results. You will be prompted to log in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials associated with your Nest Cam. Once logged in, grant the necessary permissions requested by Home Assistant. After granting permission, you will see a prompt for two-factor authentication if enabled. Complete the two-factor authentication process. Return to Home Assistant where integration setup will continue. Home Assistant will display your available Nest devices. Select your Nest Cam from the list of devices. Click on the Submit button to finalize the integration. You may need to configure specific settings for your Nest Cam. Adjust any desired settings like camera resolution or notification preferences. Save your configuration settings to finalize the setup. Navigate to the dashboard to view your integrated Nest Cam. Verify that your Nest Cam is functioning properly within Home Assistant. You can now monitor and control your Nest Cam through Home Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.